in your mouth. I'm thinking about taking you to my house, and I'm thinking about messing around on my couch. I'm thinking about all the things we could do with. Hold up, I seen another girl that was fly like you. I'm thinking about handing out rides for two. If you're down, I'm cool. And if you're round, that's cool. And if you hold it down, that's better. Cause I've seen a lot of doll-faced women, and I'm still screaming independent women forever. I will love you until the end of time, as long as you ain't afraid to take charge and step up and give a piece of your mind. Don't apply to me, I don't need to see tomorrow. Don't apply to me, I don't need to see tomorrow. Fuck around and get followed. I seen you coming out of the McDonald's. I seen your fat mom shop at Marshall's for the past 3 Sundays looking early. I'm patient, what more can I say? I know you take your garbage out every single Wednesday. Yeah, bitch, don't get ran up on. I'll leave you in the alley with your nuts gone. And I'll probably be leaving with some cuffs on, but I'll be dancing like I got myself a touchdown. Yeah, Ralph got twinkle toes, blowing kisses, throwing mistletoe. 2 more seconds and I'll hit the flow. Walking out, throwing bows, I'm invincible. I got into a fight last night, and I'm quite sure that it was a dyke last night. Yep. Don't apply to me, I don't need to see tomorrow. Don't apply to me, I don't need to see tomorrow. Hey, call out the chickens, all the combos. Where the strippers at, dubs and the hundos. Assholes, though, bows in the front rows. No bodybuilders, but real gun shows. Southside, where they jump folk, put it in the air. Blunt smoke, yeah, rules don't apply to me. A good dude, I don't even try to be, cause I'm a bad motherfucker. Ask if you can rap with an asshole such as a Mac like myself. Mr. Officer, I am a monster, involved with illegal things at my concert. I am considered an immature little kid, and then you figure I'm the shit, you realize I'm a shitter. I make the women scream, make the dudes fight. We gon' do this all night. Yeah!